I'm just about to reveal to you how I made this amount right here with CPA grip right here, just by using a very simple strategy. And I'm going to walk you through that strategy if you actually watch this video right here to the end. And that strategy actually entails you combining two platforms, which are actually CPA grip right here in conjunction with this particular platform called Pictory AI, to actually go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers. So do stick on, watch to the end, learn this strategy and utilize that to make money online. And if you are new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you do like such content, go through my channel and you'll be able to see some cool videos that could help you go on to boosting your income online. And also you can subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is turned on all, so that I do alert you whenever I release much more videos that could be helpful to you in making much more money online. So jumping right back into today's video, the first thing which you want to do is to make sure you actually do have an account on this platform called CPA grip. And if you do come right here, click on register, you can go on to creating your account by filling out this form right here. And you want to make sure you focus only on the fields with these red asterisk signs. As you can see right now, any field without this sign, you can actually do skip those fields. And once you're actually done with that, agree to the terms of service by clicking on these boxes right now or checking them out right there. And once you are done with that, click on register and you can create your account and go on to logging into your account. You can actually see right now I'm logged into my account, and you want to just simply come to this page right here by coming onto this particular section. If you do select the offer tools, select my offers, and you should be brought to a page similar to this. Right now I want to just simply drive traffic to United States marketing offers, and I'm just going to come right here, select the United States and be brought to this page. I'm just going to go on to selecting kind of a sweepstake offer, which is a giveaway offer. And if I do keep on scrolling through, this is a very cool example of that, which is actually giving out $1,000 in cash right now. So you can actually go on to utilizing this to actually go on to promoting this particular offer. Here's the link to the offer. Your leads actually need to just simply use an Apple iOS device and to submit their email address and zip code, going through your survey, and actually you do get paid $1.15. So what you want to do is to copy the link to this particular offer and go on to creating a landing page using any landing page builder site out there. I'm not going to show you how you could do that. I'm just going to go onto this particular platform called tinyurl and actually shorten that lengthy URL, shorten this URL right here and actually do copy the URL. This is what I'm actually going to be using to drive traffic to that offer. So basically guys, since that offer is kind of like a gift card or giveaway offer right here for $1,000, I'm just going to go on to generating a simple video ad or a simple video content. And for that content right here, I'm just going to be using this particular platform called Pictory AI to go on to generating the video right now. As with Pictory AI, you can easily create videos for content marketing right here. As you can see, you could generate more leads and boost your sales by turning any content into a highly shareable video using power of AI, because it is fast, scalable and affordable. And it is quite easy to go into using this particular platform right here. If you do go into hovering on this who uses Pictory, you'll be able to see that teams uses Pictory, YouTube creators, marketers, social media managers, agencies, bloggers, course creators, coaches and Vietnamese users uses this particular AI tool. So you can actually come right here, click on pricing to know more about the pricing structure, of which you can actually gain access to a free trial account, where you could go on to registering for either the standard, the premium or the teams account. You can see the amounts for each plan right here, and you could also go on to seeing the features of each plan right now in that particular section. So once you actually do register for an account, just simply go on to logging into your account. So if I do log into my account right now, as you can see right now, I can go on to creating videos right here, either from a script, an article, or I could go on to editing my video from text or converting visuals I already have into videos. So what you want to do right now is to actually go on to using the script to video, and you can actually come up with a cool script by utilizing this particular AI called ChatGPT. And if I show you, or if I do show you what ChatGPT actually came up with for me, because I asked ChatGPT to write a short story on or a short article on how to make money online, ChatGPT actually did a great job right here on how to make money online. So I'm just going to go on to copying this particular first 2 paragraphs. If I copy that, I'm going to using that for Pictory right now. I'm going to click on this proceed right here, and I'm going to paste in that particular content right now in this section. So once I paste in that right here, as you can see, it's analyzing that and it's saving my changes. I can then just simply click on proceed. So if I do click on proceed, it's going to take me to this page right here, which you can actually do see. And I'm going to just simply go on to selecting a template, which I want to just simply use. So guys, these are actually how the templates are going to look like. So I'm going to go on to selecting one right here, and supposing I want to use this one, I'm going to select that. I'm going to select the aspect ratio of the video. This one right here is quite cool because you can use it for normal lengthy YouTube video like you are watching right now, but for this 9:16 aspect ratio is actually for videos like YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and a lot more right now. But the 1:1 is actually a square video. So depending on what you want to just simply use that video on, it depends on the aspect ratio which you'll be able to select. So supposing I'm going to selecting the 16:9 right now, you can see right here that guys, my script will actually be analyzed, and it's going to splitting my script into various scenes and select a video for each scene, and also go on to creating me my storyboard right here. So guys, take a look at this right now. You can see right here that my storyboard has actually been created, and my script was actually splitted into 5 scenes right now. You can see for each scene, it went on to selecting a cool video right here. You could check out that video right now. If I change to the next scene, you can actually do see how cool the scene actually looks like. You could go on to editing each scene. You could preview the scene. You could edit the scene based on your preference. You could hide in text. You could actually add voiceovers right now via either one of this option. You could cut or trim the scene. You could also go on to changing settings or delete a scene. So edit the scene based on your preference right now. You could also go on to changing the aspect ratio of this scene, and you could also go on to seeing the entire duration of the video is 54 seconds. This particular scene is about 11 seconds long. You could go on to changing the timing for the scene and edit that based on your preference. If you don't like a video in the scene, select the scene, head on to visuals, and actually do go on to selecting a video which you actually do want to use right now. So you could also go on to selecting videos and images which you could use for this section. You could go on to my uploads to actually upload one from your device. You could add in audio, text, elements, styles, and actually do go on to editing every section based on your preference. Now in this format section, you also have the chance of selecting a better video resolution. I can actually do changes to the 1080 pixels for a better resolution right now. And guys, you also have the chance once more to select an aspect ratio. So since this video is not that long or lengthy right here, I'm gonna just simply change that to about a portrait, which will actually serve as a YouTube short video. So when that has actually been changed, you then want to just simply preview the video and actually do go on to clicking on download, which you can actually download this video on your device. But before downloading the video on your device, make sure you actually do add a new scene or add a call to action inside that particular video. The call to action might actually be directing people to the link in the description of your video for a giveaway right now. And if you do that right here, you want to just simply download the video, actually head on to platforms like YouTube, and actually upload that as a YouTube short. As you can see right here, YouTube short gets millions and millions of views in a matter of time right here. You could see this video gets about 9.2 million views in just 13 days. This one got 19 million views in just 13 days. This is 1.1 million views in 4 days. And if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see some cool videos having a lot amount of views right now in just a very small amount of time. So you can actually go on to utilizing this to your preference right now. Go on to uploading the video on YouTube, and actually make sure that the link to that particular CPA marketing offer which you want to promote is actually available in the description, which is the tiny URL link which you actually did shorten. So if you actually use that right here, upload that on YouTube and actually make the link available in the description, for people that do watch that video and actually see that particular call to action, they will actually go into the description of the video to get that particular giveaway and complete that to gain access to that particular offer. So another strategy which you could go on to using is actually using other platforms like Instagram right here to upload that particular video on Instagram, and actually make sure that the link is available in the bio of your account. But in the call to action in that particular video, make sure it directs people to the bio of your account. You could use other platforms like TikTok right here, and actually use that to start getting some cool traffic to your CPA marketing offer. But one of the cool and best ways to actually make money with this right now is to actually go on to using the content locking capabilities of this particular platform. So you want to just simply head on to the monetization tools, click on URL file lockers, and actually go on to generating a very simple URL file locker. And in that URL file locker right now, guys, you want to make sure you do lock a valuable content tool that will actually be using as a leverage to gain traffic to your CPA marketing offer. So if you're logging a valuable content, it might be an ebook or anything right there, lock in that particular content locker, get the link to your content locker, copy the link, and make sure you're actually leaving that link in the description of your videos right now, which you actually do create a video with Pictory AI concerning that particular niche. Make sure you do create a video and actually go on to adding a call to action in the video, directing people to the description of the video for that particular ebook. And guys, regardless of the location which people do actually come from, if they do click on that particular link, they are going to be shown offers in the demographic to which they reside in, and once they complete that offer, you do make some cool cash. So that's actually the best way to actually do this strategy. Go on to using URL file lockers for this, and actually go on to uploading videos right now on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and other social media platforms out there to try as much as possible to get traffic and start making money online. So if this video was helpful, do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. So guys, see you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.